Anytime.
Okay, ready. Congratulations, Alex. How do you feel now?
I feel amazing. Of course, winning a tournament is a great feeling and my first title on grass, so very good memories this week.
Okay. Is there any strategy na ginamit mo ngayon dito sa game natin sa Birmingham?
Of course, there were a couple of things that I about my coach, uh, talked about with my coach, but when it came to the moment, I think instinct took over. Yeah.
Well done. But saan ka nahirapan? Is there any opponent that you're having difficulty to finish them?
Of course, sa tingin ko, pinakamahirap yung laban sa finals. Magaling na competitor si Nicola at kaibigan ko din siya. So, mas lalong nahirapan ako doon. And of course, I think many moments in this match were difficult, so I'm very happy with that. Yeah.
Okay. Kanino mo ino-offer ang game na to? Especially winning the championship.
Siyempre, yung bawat na laban ko, ino-offer ko sa pamilya, sa team, the ones closest to me who really put in the work, no? At siyempre sa mga supporters ko, mga kababayan, maraming salamat din sa suporta. Yan.
Okay. I know you're having difficulty sa grass. Ano ang mga technique na ginamit mo dito?
I think the difficulty is the opponents you play, of course, very very high level. Um, I mean, yeah, very high level, yeah.
High level. Okay. Sa mga Filipino fans ng TFCN and mga nag-antay sa'yo dito, ano masasabi mo sa kanila?
Wala, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa walang 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 kubas na suporta at
They keep on
Um,
chanting your name.
of course, yes. So, thank you. Yeah.
Yan. Ano masasabi mo sa mga bata na they are trying to model you when you are the great Filipina tennis player? Ano masasabi mo sa kanila?
Well, to the kids that look up to me, I normally tell them to try to be the best version of themselves. Not to try to be anyone else, not to try to be the next Alex Iala or the next whoever, just to be the first them. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Thank you,
Okay,
Alex.
thank you.